Is your Joan device no longer showing calendar events? Did you encounter a calendar sync error? If that's the case, don't worry. You can follow these easy steps to fix the issue. On your MyJoan account, navigate to the Settings page and on the left-hand menu, click on Integrations and select Calendars. Click on the Unpair button. After unpairing, log back in with the same user credentials. Don't forget to accept the access rights, as those are important for the integration to work. You should now be all set. However, if these steps did not resolve the issue, we will explore a different method. Go back to the MyJoan portal. Navigate to Settings, Rooms. Remove one of the rooms by selecting the room and clicking Delete. Click on Add a room and re-add back the same room you just deleted. Next, go to Devices and reassign the room to your Joan device. Combined with the previous steps, these techniques should resolve most of calendar sync issues. We're now going to explore the scenario where adding a room does not work due to permission issues. Firstly, we will check the permissions on Google Workspace. If you use Microsoft 365, please skip ahead. Open Google Calendar and on the left-hand menu, check if your room calendar is visible. If not, you can click on the plus sign next to Other Calendars and select Browse Calendars of Interest. When you find it, open the Settings and Sharing page for that calendar and scroll down to the Share with Specific People category. Click on Add People and enter the calendar account that we logged into at the very beginning of this video. Under Permissions, please select Make Changes and Manage Sharing. And finally, click Send. If you are using Outlook, please go to the Microsoft Admin Center. On the left-hand menu, go to Resources, then Rooms and Equipment. Find your calendar and open it. Edit the delegate settings and add the calendar account we mentioned in the very beginning of this video. Don't forget to click Save Changes. Notice now that when you try to add the room, you do not encounter the same error anymore. Finally, you will need to reassign the room you just added back to your device. You should now be able to see the calendar events show up on your Joan device.